Hey guys, today I want to talk about where to start in real estate. Now, it's crucial to understand that what you really need is training, the right training, the proper training. If you're a student of the game like me, and if you're passionate about real estate and you really love what you're doing, I think you really need to find the right training. There's a lot of courses out there. There's a lot of fake YouTube gurus and whatnot, but they're really not teaching you much. All they want is that quick buck and see you, sayonara. Now, if I were to tell you that I belong to a group with 10 mentors in them, literally 10, not one, not two, 10. And these guys talk about everything. I mean, wholesale, buy and hold, lease options, all kind of stuff. Um, we got guys like Jordan, Matt, Todd, hell, even the girls, freaking ass kickers, bro. Seriously. Now, if you really want to know more, click the link below. If you're really interested, I promise you, this will be a decision you will never regret. And trust me, this will build your future. And click the link below. Thank you.